Hey Glam Mamas. Say hi, Elijah.
Hi.
So today's look is literally a get ready with us. It's Elijah's first pumpkin patch trip today with his school.
It's my first time. I really like it.
And so I just did a quick makeup look. It was like 15 minutes to do. It's just a basic gold eye and a beautiful lip, which I'll show you guys. I'm super excited about it. But it was inspired by one of the other YouTubers, and I'll definitely link her down below. So, hope you all have a fabulous day. Love you all.
Bye.
Bye. So tired. All right, so we're going to start out with the Becca Backlight Primer, just like normal, the gold one. We're going to rub that all, starting from the inside all over the face. Then I'm going to go get my Benefit Professional Pore Mattifying Primer, which we all know I love. It gives that smooth finish. Ooh, girl, rub that in. All right, so we're going to take a little bit because you only need a tiny bit. I'm going to put that, just tap it in right in the T-zone, wherever you have the larger pores. Wait, and then rub it in. Ooh, I look tired. All right, then we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation. And you guys, seriously, I have fallen in love with this. For one, it takes half the product that the Too Faced Born This Way foundation does. And it just gives such an incredible coverage. It's just amazing. And the plus side, which doesn't, I mean, it's not a make or break for me, but it smells so good, which at 6 a.m., you need it. All right, so we're just going to pat it in again with a beauty blender. Like I said in the last video, if you haven't switched over to it, go get you one. Just do it. Starting to look awake now. Thank goodness. All right. Then for some reason, my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil broke, and so I had to go in with the Anastasia Brow Definer. So I went ahead and did my brows. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape because Mama needed a little extra coverage today. So we're going to go ahead and press that in all over the chin, through the nose, under the eyes. Oh yeah, look at that, starting to wake up now. I'm going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Shade and Lyric, and just press that in. It's going to set the under eye, the concealer, and it's going to go ahead and brighten the eyes up too. A little bit everywhere else too, because this time in the morning you need a little extra brightness. Then I'm going in with the Revolution Gilded palette, and I love this one. I was reading a lot about it, and I had to try it, and for $15, guys, seriously, this one is just amazing. I mean, look at the pigment that you get, and like all those shades, the whole palette, 15 bucks. All right, then I'm going to go in with the lighter shade right under the eyebrow just to give it a little highlight. And I only went in with one shade in the crease and on the outer eye, again, just to open it up, because the real star of this look is the lip. All right, then I'm going in with a shadow that I love. It's a OG, like this one is just, I've looked for other ones and nothing can compare. It's a Urban Decay Half Baked eyeshadow, and you can get it in just a single. It's so pretty. It just lights up, and you don't need very much of it, and it goes on so smooth. I'm going in with a little highlight color from that Revolution palette, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner just to highlight. I'm going to go with the Butter Bronzer, and this one I got from Ulta. It's really inexpensive. Like you can see, it's got a lot of fallout for it, but it's actually really good. And I went with the deep bronze shade. The popular one is a little bit lighter, but I go a little bit darker on my bronzer. Just going to put that all underneath the cheekbone and then up around. Like we always say, don't forget your forehead. Ain't nobody got time for that. Then I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the color Party. This one I just wanted a little bit of color, not too much, not as much as I normally have, because again, the real star of the show is going to be the lip and a little bit of gold eye. We're going to do the highlight color of the Master Chrome by Maybelline. Such a pretty gold that you can just get at the drugstore. It is so nice. It's like the same shade, same type as the Makeup Forever highlighter, except like half the price. It is just beautiful, and it goes right along with the look that we're going for today of that gold eye. And again, putting that highlighter everywhere because Lord knows, good highlighter. Look at how awake that makes you look. All right, then we're going to use the Laura Mercier Glow Powder, the Translucent Glow. And we're going to go ahead and line that up. I got a little, very nice. I got a little crazy with the bronzer, so I'm just going to clean that up and line it up again, create that faux contour. Eva's doing her makeup. And set that all with the Urban Decay All-Nighter spray. Dry it. Oh, we're almost there. All right, I went ahead and put my mascara on. It's the Tarte Lashes mascara. Now, this is the true star of the show. It's the new Anastasia, their holiday collection, liquid lipstick in the color Phantom. It is so amazing. If you guys haven't looked it up yet, it is just gorgeous. Once you put it on, it sets. Like, I wore it through the entire field trip, still wearing it, and it is just beautiful. Like, it doesn't move, but it looks so metallic and so soft and so pretty. And it seems like it changes colors from every direction that you look at it. It just truly is a gorgeous color. It is limited time, so jump on that. It comes with 2 other colors as well, but this one is just my absolute favorite. Almost looks velvet. All right, then we're going to clean off that translucent powder. And there we go. All done. Going to the field trip. All right, love you all. Bye.